Today I'm going to show you something. I had some trouble with this remote key. It's factory. What happened is the buttons wouldn't work. So I ordered one online. I just ordered the case because the electronics are good. Problem is now, these buttons are too easy to press, and especially the trunk. I put it in my pocket. The trunk's open on the car all the time. Now either I need to lose some weight or get fatter pants, or I have a better idea. Should be a lot easier because I love to eat. Here's my plan. I figure if I take this thing apart, what I can do is put something over the parts that touch the electronics, the actual button that touches on there, and it's just a rubber, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's pretty simple stuff. I'll show you what it looks like. Let me take this baby apart here. Guess I'm doing this the wrong way. Should have done this ahead of time. We've got time. You've got time. If this works for you, it'll be worth watching. If I remember how this comes apart now, without breaking it. Come on. Sometimes these are easier said than done. There we go. So here's my thinking. It's just a little rubber piece there. It's like charcoal or something, huh? It's electronic contact. And it just shorts these out. Now all it has to do is just short out any two. So let's make it so it shorts out a lot less. So the looks like that one, which is the trunk that's giving me all the trouble, is this one here. Let me put a little bit of stripe on it, see how that works. And I've got some stripe because I used to do this for a living, use the stripe vehicles. I'm just going to make the contact not so touchy. I don't know, I guess you could do this with just about anything. Let's say electrical tape or something. This is just going to be fancy because I've got this kind of stuff. I'm just going to use the narrowest one. I guess if you wanted to, you could just buy some of this tape somewhere. It's not that expensive, but if this was your problem. I'll just stick that. I don't know what I want to short out. How about the very middle? I'm hoping by doing that, you see what I'm doing now? Just shorted it out so that can we get a little closer? It doesn't like focusing, does it? Anyway, you can probably see it's like a mesh like this, and I just want to make it so that it's not going to be as touchy. So I'm just going to kind of snip a little bit of that off of there, a little bit off of there. You see what I'm getting at, huh? And then put it back together and see if this thing goes off in my pocket or not, because that's really embarrassing when somebody says, hey, you know your trunk's open, and you go, no, I didn't know. But I know it does it lots. I don't think it's a problem with any of the other buttons. It just seems to be, for some reason, the one. Well, let's go see how tough and touchy it is. First, I'm going to try the driver's door here. Well, passenger works. And we'll try the trunk. Oh yeah. Really have to push it to get it to work. But finally, it's not going to fall apart in my pocket or pop up, because this is embarrassing when somebody sees the trunk sitting like this. And they're like, did you know your trunk's open? Well, hopefully that helps you out. If you have one of these remotes and you've replaced it and it's a little too touchy, just put a little bit of stripe. Don't cover all the little things there, but you'll see what I mean.